What's up, KZN? Yes. Can you imagine, guys, uhambe uyothenga nje mhlawumbe just a small part mhlawumbe nje ka-120 rands and then wena uhambe uyoyidayisa u-50,000 rand kwa-Eskom. Ha! Yazi nje phela u-120 rand vethi imali ongawuthenga ngayo nje imili noma ikuphi nje ungathenga imili nje uyidlela phela kanjalo, but can you imagine uthenge leyo mili ka-120 rand or 180 rand for God's sake up until you make 76 million bucks? Can you imagine? Hey bafethu, hey konakele kakhulu bafethu, konakele kakhulu. This is the Durban podcast bafethu, Durban Online podcast. Asidlale and nginizwile kuma comment section nisho ukuthi you wanna know ukuthi who is next. Somebody laphayana kwi comment section ubhalile wathi this is the year of revelation. This is the year of the revelation, and somebody laphaya use ubani life sentence. Bathi abantu bafuna i-life sentence abanye bathi who is next? Take a listen to this and then you tell me ukuthi kanti sihlala kumuphi umhlaba.
Siyabonga Nkosi, the man behind a 76 million rand Eskom corruption scheme that investigators say was built on massive price inflations. Between 2021 and 2023, his companies allegedly manipulated procurement at Kusile and Matla power stations. Here's how it worked. Electrical relays, critical components, were bought for around 50,000 rand each, despite a real value of just 180 rand to 450 rand. That's an 11,000% markup. Orders were allegedly split to avoid oversight, and fake part numbers were used so only linked companies could.
Uyezwa-ke ukuthi lento isebenza kanjani? They create another companies abazobhida nale company le ezovela izothola itender. So wena itender yakho noma wakho nami nawe ayivele exist indawo. Already nje wena you are not even close to this tender because yena usiyabonga nje lo esikhuluma ngaye already maybe have like 4 or 3 other companies, shell companies, to protect and make sure ukuthi the one company iyona etholayo ibid. Okay, 2, imali misitholakele iyaqala manje ifakwa kulezi zinto ekuthiwa ama-trust. Bafethu akasivula ama-trust nathi ama-trust fund, because it looks like everybody une-trust fund. Wonke umuntu wenza i-fraud une-trust fund. Anything to happen nemali une-trust fund. Angazi kwenzeka kanjani. Hey, let's go deeper.
The equipment wasn't even needed. Then the money moved.
Equipment was not even needed. Then the money move. Awisintsha amadoda umjabula abangakhathekele ukuthenjwa. Yo, ubungambona unkosikazi lo mjida mfethu on TikTok. Yes. Izinto bezisho. I wonder ukuphi manje because I heard ngathi naye udilithile but asikho kuyena manje sikulo mfowethu man. Yeah, let's go.
To say funds were channeled through trusts and used to buy luxury cars and properties across multiple provinces. Now the SIU has stepped in. Around 76.5 million rand in assets have been frozen, including Lamborghinis, Porsches, and 17 properties nationwide. What started as Eskom procurement is now a full-scale investigation into fraud, laundering, and how the system was manipulated from the inside.
Yeah. What's your take, KZN? You're watching Durban Online podcast with Fly Motion. The question is, who is next? And I really like that comment ukhona lapha ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi i-DOP manje iyakhula kakhulu bafethu. Thank you so much for subscribing and making sure you comment and like. So the question right now is, who is next? Who you wanna see? Naye banjwa kanje, because one by one they are coming on. Sebonga is done. We have Nisi is done. And now we want to know what ubani ozayo. We really have to, because once I get that one, I will show you something that I will engakaze ngibakhombisa abanye abantu, because we really need to get to the bottom ya lento le. People are chowing money wena umndeni wakho nebhizinesi 40 green yakokota but umsebenzi dololo. At the same time ugesi uyacisha every now and then, sine load shedding, and kunomuntu nje oyidlela imali kalula kanje mfethu ahambe ayothenga ama-relay ka-180 rand awadayise u-50,000 rand and then I-end up eseno-76 million rands nama-thousands and thousands and thousands ama-acres of land, even farms, properties, exotic cars. Where are we living? Where are we living? Kanti thina sikuphi thina abantu mfethu bezenzela kanje mfethu ke-taxpayers money? Ake sikhulume lapho kwi-comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you like the video. Let's keep up the movement. Yo! Hayi bafethu, hayi ngeke. Tanko, okay, hayi danke bafethu. Hayi nansi enye ividiyo izongena la guys. Please watch and make sure ukuthi bafethu nakhona you do the very same thing. Tanko!